Hi guys, it's Sam from Creatively Sam's, and today I've made a vegetable medley. And this is mostly root vegetables like cabbage and celery and carrots, but with my because of my recent stay in the hospital and having to really be careful about what I'm eating, I'm looking for new concoctions for me, because I get bored real fast. And this one I really liked. So if you want to see how I did this, stay tuned. It's coming up next. To be honest with you, I'm really not sure what I'm going to call this. Ever since I got out of the hospital, I've been looking for more veggie recipes, especially my favorite veggies. So this one, it's kind of root veggie. It's a veggie medley. I don't know, it's just stuff that I really like, and I'm going to try and put it together in my little pressure cooker and see how it all turns out. I have celery, I have garlic, I have onion, carrots, cabbage. I'm not sure if I'm going to add potatoes to this because I really should not have white potatoes. Sweet potatoes, yes. White potatoes, no, and I just don't like the idea of sweet potatoes with onions. So we'll see. I think I just might leave it at this, and we'll see how it turns out. And we'll be back after I have this all chopped up. Okay, I got everything chopped up and in the pressure cooker. I decided not to do the potatoes. Why press my luck? The garlic, I left it in big pieces. Although I love the taste of garlic, or the flavor of garlic, I cannot stand biting into it. I made extra bacon this morning for breakfast, so I thought I'd throw that in for a little extra flavor. So what I'm going to do is put the lid on and the pressure valve, and once this hits boiling and starts to rock, it's going to cook for 20 minutes. So we'll be back when it's done, and I'm going to taste this and let you know how it turned out. And I forgot to say that I did put about 1.5 cups of water in here, just enough to get the steam going. It's not going to boil like a soup, it's going to steam all the veggies. Just going to turn the fire down to medium and set the timer for the 20 minutes, and we'll be back. I honestly cannot wait to taste this. I have never put this combination together before. So, we'll find out at the end. Okay, all done. Turn the flame off, and I'm going to put this under cold water and cool it down until this goes down. Got the cold water running on the top. That just went down, so this can be taken off and I can get it open. Well, there it is. And it really does look good. So I'm going to plate this up and let it cool down just a little bit so that I can give it a taste, and I'll let you know what happens. Okay, let's see what I think. That is really good. It needs a little salt, and I think maybe the next time I make this, I'm going to use chicken stock instead of water just to get the flavor through. But the bacon is a nice touch. You can taste it without it being overpowering. So, yeah, this is going to be a new side dish for me to eat. So if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and happy creating, everyone.